on. You gotta blur my face, dude.
Yeah.
Why?
Trenton, blur my face, please.
No.
Scuba. Blur. This.
There's no blur.
There's blur.
You ready?
I am prepared.
Pixelated? Is that what you do? 5 minutes?
Pixelate his face.
And Aaron got it. Lift it up to the 1,000 pounds. Nice.
What's the matter, Scoop?
I'm stuck. It's these non-cheater tires. Okay.
Who's dying?
Oh,
I can smell it.
didn't blow them off, eh?
Nope.
Where's the coffee after there?
That's what makes it good.
That's what makes it good.
First or water?
Come there.
What?
I don't know where 3 is.
You put it on the wood.
Oh yeah.
You built the course.
Bonus, you're missing the bonus. The most opportune time.
We had to use the torch to loosen up the all these houses, rotaries, oh, your new truck.
Hey, my truck. And now finger.
Now look at all the streets that are gonna scratch the shit in your body.
Scratches and dents protect their future.
Oh, you're gonna hit it.
Totally.
Big Gatorino. Stuckerific. Oh.
He didn't go off the head. You know, some of your tires are the wrong way. Probably.
They're on there and they're not cheater tires, so.
Cheating!
There's a gate right there. You just fucking ran right over it.
Probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they're. I was sitting on the ball, right? Time?
Doesn't matter.
It does.
You get like 240 plus your bonus.
What's this here for?
I don't know, Joe fucking put it down. Right.
I can't see that far ball, Pat.
Well, you're probably gonna run over it now. You're strong.
There it goes.
You were okay until you backed up.
You were great.
Ouch!
Until you fucked it all up.
That hurts, Jared.
Did you shoot yourself?
Nope.
Wait for it.
Funny if you did.
What? You're not marking the forehead.
Oh! Real nice work there, Scuba Steve.
Oh, I dicked myself.
You totally different. Totally Dickford.
Totally dickered.
That's an interesting place to set it.
Yeah, it is. There
I found the
you
bit.
go.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, two progressing.
Oh, he hit the start gate. I saw that. Where are you coming out?
The other side.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
It won't go off unless you,
Aaron's next.
Oh,
Are you running bench press?
Staple, slowly stuck in the table.
Time?
You got like a minute 20 plus the bonus.
It went over there. It went over there.
Are you looking
Careful,
for
that
a new
gate
body
is
now?
still alive.
back up over.
He has a new body, you can't paint it.
Underneath the table over there.
Jared, when you do that,
That was a gate.
no.
That was a gate,
Oh, it's empty.
he said.
When you do that body,
It was a
you,
gate.
Out of my way.
That was a gate.